Hello, this is the TradeSide Forex Market Preview and International Economic Data Roadmap for the week beginning Sunday the 12th of April, ending Friday the 17th of April 2020. This is options expiration week already. Not that it necessarily means that'll do much for Forex. Just look at the dollar index daily chart. After all the wild swings, we've ended up right back in kind of a middle ground that we've been in for a while, and the last couple of days were really flat. Let's go through the major daily charts. The euro dollar, obviously the inverse of the dollar index, not much there. The pound dollar, wow, so kind of narrow right now. The Aussie dollar um, popped up Wednesday and came back up a bit, but didn't do much on Thursday or Friday. The euro yen has been stuck using the risk line as support off that 13 secret buy signal. We got the pound yen not doing much at all, and the pound Swiss dead flat. New Zealand dollar pair, not much there. All right, in terms of economic, or in terms of the 30-minute charts, here's the week. So you can see the euro dollar high to low for the week was just under 200 pips. Most of the movement was Tuesday. There was a spike on Thursday, but that's about it. The pound dollar, on the other hand, high to low for the week was about 300 pips, and there were a couple, but we had a couple winners and a couple losers. It is what it is. It wasn't the most exciting week ever in Forex from a Forex trading perspective. All right, so now let's take a look at the economic data coming out this week. So on starting Sunday with the OPEC meetings again. New Zealand and Australia on bank holidays, Switzerland, France, Italy, UK, Canada. Everybody's on bank holiday except the US. So we're not going to have any calls Sunday night. We'll do the levels, but the calls are useless in that scenario. We've got New Zealand's visitor arrivals Monday night. Australia's NAB business confidence number at 9:30 p.m. Monday night. Trade balance out of China. Foreign direct investment out of China. New Zealand's FPI. Australia's Westpac consumer sentiment. Wednesday already. French final CPI. German 30-year bond auction. Retail sales here in the U.S. at 8:30, along with Empire State Manufacturing Index. Capacity utilization and industrial production at 9:15 on Wednesday, Eastern Time. Canada's got a Bank of Canada rate announcement at 10 a.m. Business inventories here in the U.S. NAHB Housing Market Index. Crude oil inventories. The Bank of Canada's press conference from their rate announcement. The U.S. Beige Book at 2 p.m. Tick long-term purchases. BRC retail sales monitor, unemployment rate of the Australia at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday. Thursday, German final CPI and WPI, Swiss PPI, Bank of England credit conditions survey, industrial production, 8:30 a.m. on Thursday. Manufacturing sales, ADP non-farm employment changes, unemployment claims, building permits, Philly Fed manufacturing index, housing starts. Natty gas at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, then China at 10 at night. GDP, fixed asset investment, industrial production. Got an NBS press conference, retail sales and the unemployment rate. Industrial production out of Japan, tertiary industry activity out of Japan, Italian trade balance, and what you can't see because I can't scroll it properly, CPI out of Europe, and then foreign security purchases, CB leading index here in the U.S. It's not a big week from an economic data perspective, and we've obviously got the bank holiday on Monday almost everywhere else. So I don't see anything major to worry about. We will just call it as we see it the other 4 days of the week. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading week.